So we get a lot of customers come in saying that they want an insulated door, but they want something with a higher R value or higher insulating factor because they either have like a workshop in the garage or they heat the garage. They have to have it a controlled temperature. In that case, we recommend a door that has urethane injected foam inside instead of regular styrofoam. Styrofoam is good. It gives you an R value of almost 10. But if you go urethane injected foam like this one, you can have an R value of 12 or even 18, which is about the highest you can get.